Good afternoon, sir. I am D. Karthika from Veveaham Prime Academy. I am going to take English for grade 3. Good afternoon, students. So, do you know who am I? I am your English miss, no? So, hereafter I am going to teach you English. Okay, so before going to the lesson, I would like to ask you a few questions. Okay, students, are you ready to answer me? Yes, very good. So, for that, do you like junk food, students? Do you like junk foods? Yes, we all may like junk food, isn't it? But is it good for health? No, junk food is not good for our health. Okay, it is an unhealthy food. Okay, so what type of food we should have? We should have only healthy foods. Okay, why we should eat healthy foods, ma? Tell me, do you know the answer for this? Why we should eat only healthy foods? Because healthy food makes our body fit. Okay, it keeps our body fit and it gives energy to us, isn't it? So for listening classes and all, we need energy, no? So we must eat only healthy foods. Okay, will you eat healthy foods hereafter, students? Yes, very good. We must eat healthy foods hereafter. Okay, so now tell me, what is the healthy food? What are the healthy food? Tell me some example for healthy foods, ma. Okay, let me tell you what are the healthy foods. So healthy food means we must eat vegetables, fruits, eggs, fish, chicken. These type of foods we must, and spinach. It is very important to add in our food items. Okay, so students, shall we go to the lesson, ma? Do you have any guess about our lesson? Yes, very good. What is about our lesson today? Today our lesson is about the food habits of mouse. Food habits of a mouse. Okay, shall we go? So for that you have to take your English book with pencil. Okay, so see, this is our English book. All of you take this book. Another book is there, that is for grammar. Okay, so all of you take your English book. This is our English book. So all of you take page number 2. Okay, all of you take page number 2. So now I'm going to read the heading of the lesson. So anyone, can you read the heading of the lesson? Yes, very good, student, very good, ma. So Reggie Mouse's shrinking clothes. What? Reggie Mouse's shrinking clothes is our very first lesson. Okay, are you clear with this topic? Yes, very good. So now let us move on to the story. Okay, this is a story about a mouse. Okay, this is a story about a mouse. Okay, students, so shall we? Okay, so Reggie Mouse's shrinking clothes. So Reggie, who is Reggie? Do you have any idea about Reggie? Reggie is a name of a mouse. Okay, Reggie is a name of a mouse. So here Reggie Mouse's shrinking clothes. What is meant by shrinking? Do you know the meaning of shrinking, ma? Do you know? Okay, let me tell you. Shrinking means a thing which becoming smaller is called shrinking. Okay, students. So today we are going to learn the lesson about Reggie Mouse's clothes becoming smaller. Okay, this is the lesson which we are going to learn today. Are you clear with this topic? Do you have any doubt? You can ask me freely if you have any doubt. Okay, I will explain you. So shall we move on to the lesson? Okay. Next, all of you take page number 3, ma. In page number 3, in the top of the book, there is a heading, no? So, all of you take your pencil and listen to me, okay? So, I am going to read the topic. Let us read the story of Reggie Mouse, who only ate cheese and never played outside. So, students, what is the story about? I will explain. I explained already, you know. So, tell me, what is about the story? This is the story about the Reggie Mouse. This is a story about who? Reggie Mouse. Yes, very good. Now tell me the spelling for Reggie, all of you. R-E-G-G-I-E. Okay, so spelling for the Reggie is R-E-G-G-I-E. Okay, okay, students. Let us move on to the story. This is the story about Reggie Mouse, who is always eating what? Which is the favorite food of Reggie, ma? here Reggie is always eating only what, ma? Is here Reggie is always eating only cheese. He did not eat any other food items. He's always eating only cheese. Okay. Do you have your favorite food? Yes, we all have our favorite food. Like that, Reggie also eating only cheese because it is his favorite food. Okay, and he did not go outside for playing. Do you go outside for playing? Yes, we must go outside for playing at least for 1 hour per day. Okay, so it will be keep us active. Okay, so for that we have to go outside play. But what happened here? Regimos did not go outside for playing. Okay, so let us move on to the story. All of you look at the dialogue. First dialogue. Regimos loved eat cheese. He ate it for breakfast, lunch and dinner. What's happening here? Regimos is always eating only what, ma? Only cheese because it is his favorite food, no? So he's always eating only cheese for how many times? For all the times he is eating only cheese. For breakfast, lunch and also dinner he is eating only cheese. So now tell me what is mean by breakfast. Do you have any idea about breakfast, ma? Okay, let me explain. Breakfast means the food which we have in the morning, no? That is called breakfast. And the food which we have at the middle of the day. Middle of the day means at the afternoon, no? So that is called lunch. And the food which we have at the night, so that is called dinner. Okay. So what's happening here? Reggie Mouse is always eating only cheese for all the time. So now look at the second picture. Reggie's mother Rita Mouse was worried. Reggie's mother Rita Mouse. So who is Reggie's mother? Rita. Reggie's mother is Rita. Name of the Rita Mouse. Name of the Reggie's mother is Rita. Now tell me, ma, who is Reggie? Reggie is the name of the mouse. No. So who is Rita? Rita is Reggie's mother. Okay, so Rita Mouse was feeling very much sad. Why he's feeling very much sad? Because he's always only eating so much of cheese, no? But this is not good for health. So she was feeling very much worried. Okay, so let us see what's happening here. Okay, it's an interesting story, ma. So Reggie, it's fine to eat cheese, but you should eat other foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals and fish. You should always play outside more often. So what's happening here? Reggie Mouse eating only cheese, no? So for that, Rita Mouse was feeling very much worried and she advised Reggie. Rita Mouse advised Reggie to eat some other food also. He should eat some other food also, like fruits, vegetables, cereals and also fish. He should eat these type of food also, and he must go outside for playing. So will you go outside for playing? Yes. Will you accept your mother's advice? Yes, you have to accept your mother's advice and you have to obey your parents. Okay, so Rita Mouse advised Reggie to eat some other food like some other healthy foods. Healthy food means I told you already, no, vegetables, fruits and fish, egg, these types of food also we should take, isn't it? So Rita Mouse advised him to take these type of foods. And cereals. Do you know cereals, ma? Cereals means a ground wheat or maize. Maize means corn. Okay, so Rita Mouse advised him to take cereals also. Do you know cereals? I will tell you the example for cereals. Do you know cornflakes and oats? These are the cereals. Okay, so Rita Mouse advised Reggie to eat this type of foods. Okay, so let us see what's happening next. Okay, thank you, sir.